So just arrived on site, this BMW i440 individual. This is finished in the individual Dravit grey metallic. Has a large gold pigment in it. The metallic is gold, same colour as my personal car. So this vehicle is very, very highly specified from the factory. I will run through the options with you during the video. So this is totally pre-preparation. It's just arrived, just been washed down. I just thought I'd give you a sneaky peek into it. So we've got the visibility pack, hence we've got the laser lights. We've got the M Pro package. We've got the Technology Plus package, hence we've got the 360 cameras. Head-up display, Harman Kardon, adaptive cruise control with assisted driving, so it's got the driving assistant professional package. Wireless charging, full Vanaska leather with the blue stitch, the M seat belts, Comfort Plus package including memory seat, fully electric front seats, comfort access. The list is endless. Tri-zone climate control. Again, camera in the rear of the vehicle for the 360 cams. Two cables, one on the right is your type 2 to type 2, one on the left is your granny charger. Then under there you've got your huge Harman Kardon subwoofer. Electric tailgate. And again, this vehicle is in superb condition throughout. It will go through our detailing and our full workshop process and our full preparation process. And again, the electric seat on the passengers. So, Technology Plus pack, Comfort Plus pack, Visibility pack, Harman Kardon, driving assistant professional with assisted driving and blind spot monitors. This car is fully loaded. Thank you for watching.